Hi, welcome to the demo videos for PathWave Test Executive for Manufacturing Software, or PTEM. In this video, we are going to talk about instrument variables. Other than the regular types of variables like integers, strings, or boolean, PTEM has an instrument variable type that allows you to assign your instruments. In this video, we will create a test plan to set the instruments in our test steps based on the type of the boards that it is testing. For this demo, I'm using two barcode readers as my instruments. Test plan will connect to each of them through their respective socket ports. Reader 1 uses port 5051 and Reader 2 uses port 5052. To simulate the different incoming board types, I'll use an input dialog step to allow me to set the board type variable. The test plan can then check this variable to know what type of board it is supposed to test. Next, we can add the if-else condition to select the instruments based on the board type received from the input dialog step above. Then add two assigned variable steps as the child steps of the if steps. This is to set the variable to the instrument. Next, we will create the instrument variable so that we can use it in these steps. Bring up the user variables panel and let's add a new variable. Be sure to set the data type to instrument. Now we can assign the instrument variable to our assignment steps. Next, in the if steps itself, we will select which set of readers to use based on the type received from the input dialog box. Let's add a step to query the reader's ID. We will add in a socket query steps and then assign the socket instrument parameter to the variable that we have just created. For the command, it will be *IDN ? Just to read the ID. Next, let's add another step to send a trigger to the reader and receive the captured serial number. The trigger command for the reader is get_sn. And now we assign the output of the check ID to the variable called ID, and also the output for the scan serial step to the variable called SN. And lastly, let's create a print statement to print the capture serial number and the ID to the output panel. Now let's run the test plan and select type A for this run. So you can see that the reader 1 on port 5051 is being selected by the test plan, and the serial number is being read back accordingly. For the next run, let's select type B. And now you can see that the reader 2 on port 5052 is being selected. So by using instrument variables, we can have the test plan swap between instruments on the fly. And there's no need to duplicate a set of test steps just for each combinations of the instruments to be used. Now we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you find it informative and useful. Do check out the other videos to learn more about what PTEM can do for you. Thank you for watching.